Hello everybody, welcome to another Bottomless Chips vlog. Today, the creator of Bottomless Chips is having me, her son, as a special guest today. And today we are making sugar cookies.
Yes, it is a very special, we'll call it like a home ec experiment version of Biscuit Train. Because obviously he is home from school because of the virus. So today...
AKA COVID-19.
Yeah, AKA big giant pain in my butt. Anyway, we are doing... It's something I've never baked before. I've never baked a cream cheese sugar cookie. Truthfully, I've never baked a sugar cookie that didn't come out of a tube. So... it's going to be fun. It's going to be an experiment. We're kind of doing a riff off of Rosanna Pansino's recipe for cream cheese sugar cookies. We're just replacing some items and adding some items that weren't there before. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to beat together our butter, our cream cheese, our egg, powdered sugar, granulated sugar. Yeah, until it's all beat together nice and fluffy. So... you want to add the sugar in the bowl?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm adding the sugar.
It is 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Then we have...
I can't even see inside the bowl.
half a teaspoon of salt.
I wish I could taste some of the salt right now.
Gross. Yeah. And there we go.
But I like the
And we have 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar.
Oh, no. Get out of the thing.
Get out of the spoon. Okay.
Finally.
We're going to do... I'll do this one because it's liquid and I don't want it going everywhere.
Okay.
We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla in the bowl. There we go. We are going to do right about 1/3 cup of lemon curd. This is hopefully going to add our nice creamy lemony flavor to these cookies. And we've got, here, put you up here, Big Mama. We've got 3 ounces of cream cheese.
Ew, cream cheese.
We have a little over 1/2 cup of margarine. We've got 1 stick and then 2 additional teaspoons. And then 1 egg. And we're going to beat it till it combines together. We want it nice and fluffy and together.
Is this like just a frosting?
No, these are all the wet / dry ingredients in the cookie.
Oh.
Want to beat it till it combines and comes together. We're going to use our handy dandy, I don't know what was on that. This is my life right now. A kitchen that's never clean. Trying to continue to do the things I love and hang out with you people. Ooh, we're coming together nicely. So we're going to take our spatula and we're going to kind of push some of the butter out of here.
Oh, this is what the cream cheese. This is what the cream cheese sugar cookies.
Because it's all kind of stuck in there. There we go. All right. We'll set it a little higher so it beats together. Doesn't have the opportunity to get stuck.
Can I see what's in the bowl?
Ready? Oh. See?
Ew, that's gross. Never again.
Never again. The sight of butter and egg together is where he draws the line.
No.
Not butter and egg.
I'm still going to be a part of this video, guys, okay?
All right, we're going to push it down in the bowl. We're almost there. We're almost nice and creamed together. And then after that, we beat in the flour. And hopefully it should look more like cookie dough after that. We'll see. Here, let me turn you guys a little bit. There we go. Ooh, we're coming together, yeah. Coming together. Okay. Now we are going to.
Can I add that in?
I'm gonna do this one.
No, I wanted to add that in.
And then we're gonna beat the flour into the mixture.
Now can I see what's going on in there? I kind of want to see what it looks like now.
See?
Now it looks kind of different. I feel like I'm seeing some hardcore.
It's coming together now. It's coming together like a cookie dough. And then after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it out into like a log shape. Then we're gonna wrap it in plastic wrap. And we're gonna refrigerate it for an hour so it firms up like your standard cookie dough log. Yeah, you can see that kind of stuck to the beater.
Ew.
We're gonna push it out with our handy dandy spatula.
No, I'm down here, guys.
He's hiding. He's hiding from the sight of butter, eggs, and flour, people. It's gonna be a rough baking episode if he can't stand the sight of butter, eggs, and flour.
I'm trying to pick up Cora right now, but it's like, but I'm like having a hard time doing it.
Coraline is our cat. Every time we're in the kitchen, she thinks it's time to be fed. So now that we're in here and we're baking things, she's like, "Oh, stuff for me? My stuff? No.
You can't be mousy.
No, Cora, not your stuff." All right, we're gonna take our beater off there.
Oh, you almost went
We're
after
gonna do the thing we're not supposed to do. And we're gonna try it. It's real good, guys. It's real good. I'm real excited about it.
I went through the mouse.
All right, we're gonna take our bowl off there. We're gonna clean up our girl a little bit because we got some lemon curd on her.
Yeah. We got some lemon something on.
We want to take care of the hardest working girl in the kitchen, which, not me. It's Big Mama Mixer over here. And we're gonna put her down here.
I will open the door.
Smashed my finger down there, but that's fine.
Ouch!
Yeah. All right. We've got her down there, so we've got, slightly more counter space. Seeing, because if you've been with me for a minute, you know I only have like 7 inches of workable counter space, which is great.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna lay out some plastic wrap on our counter.
Oh.
See?
That
Looks like cookie dough now, right?
Yeah.
It looks promising, he says. Not really the vote of confidence I was hoping for, but whatever, it's fine.
Cora.
All right. Now,
Still in operation.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of use the plastic wrap to help us roll it out. Because I don't really want to make a giant mess on my countertop this morning. Looks like we might need slightly more plastic wrap. Where'd I put it? Over here.
We might need slightly.
Oh,
Sorry guys, we need more plastic wrap.
move your face.
Oh! Ow!
Alright, there we go.
You just threw me to the ground.
Gives us kind of a workable space to roll out our cookies. It's gonna be kind of a short, stout little situation. They might be bigger cookies, but who cares? Everybody likes big cookie, right? All right, there we go. We have our cookie log. Try and smooth it out a little bit. Twisty, tidy edges. And we're gonna stick it in the fridge for an hour. And then we will be back for the cutting and the baking portion. I will see you guys in a few.
guys, welcome back after an hour.
We are here.
This is what our dough looks like
With
after
our
an hour, guys.
Chilled cookie dough.
Oh God!
Alright. So we're gonna unwrap out of our plastic cocoon that we put it in.
Why are we putting it in a cocoon?
And we're gonna cut it into sections. And we're gonna roll them up. Put them on our baking sheet. Don't touch the knife! What are you trying to do here, man?
I'm not trying to throw a knife or anything like that.
Yeah, I was gonna cut that slice in half, but
What?
I'd rather they be relatively the same size. So you want them, they're gonna be kind of bigger cookies, which is fine. I don't mind a bigger cookie.
Ew, a big cookie.
You're a big cookie.
What if there's a cookie 100 meters high that existed in Candyland? What would you guys think?
Well, what would you think if there was a 100-meter high cookie, I guess?
What would you guys think? Comment section below what you would think.
The questions posed by the children of the universe. These are big. Why are they so large? But then when you cut that piece in half, it's too small, and here, we'll just cut thinner slices. Maybe we are going to have to rip it. I don't want to have to rip it.
Don't rip it!
Already making my hands a mess. It's very sticky dough.
Don't rip it!
You don't rip it.
I never rip anything.
Never?
I just bumped into your metal hard elbow.
You didn't hit my elbow.
Yes, I did.
Alright, we got 6 on this tray.
She's lying.
Which means we should get about 6 on the other tray. Because we want to give them plenty of space to bake. Because like I said, they are going to apparently turn out to be fairly sizable cookies. Which is fine. I feel like I have a weird moving shadow. Shadow gremlin.
I am not a shadow gremlin.
Oop, there goes our oven.
There goes whose oven?
My oven?
What did it?
What do you mean, whose oven? Whose else's oven could it have been, other than our oven?
Heaven's oven?
He's in a weird mood today. He's saying weird stuff.
That's just, I'm really hyper today.
Alright. Get our hands right now. Sticky as heck. Okay. And then this one.
The cookies actually don't look too bad.
Well,
If you can tell me that, then taste the dough.
no, I wasn't going to say that. Oh, I got to wipe my hands off. Because I can't remember how long they're supposed to bake
please.
for. Oh,
Wipe your hands off.
Shush. Okay. 9 minutes, it says. We need a fork. We're going to flatten them out just a little bit. There we go. Flat. Squashy.
Ew. That looks disgusting.
You're disgusting.
You're disgusting.
Okay. These are going to bake for 9 minutes. I'll see you guys in 9 minutes. Alright guys, and we're back. A couple minutes longer than 9 minutes, but I'm not quite sure what happened, guys. They browned like a lot on the bottom, and don't know what it was about them that made them do that. I don't know if there wasn't enough butter or the lemon curd kind of messed with the ability to cook. I have no idea. They taste all right, but they did a weird, and they appear to be done inside, but they're strangely colored on the bottom. So I will keep that in mind for next time, and maybe we'll figure something out. But it's been an interesting day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the journey through lemon cream cheese sugar cookies, and I will catch you guys on the next one.